Hi, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install a double plug socket into your Caravan. So the double socket will be replacing this single socket which currently feeds the microwave. And the reason I'm putting a double one up here is that I will be installing a Wi-Fi router into this cupboard. So first things first, only attempt something like this if you feel confident to do so. If not, make sure you employ the services of a qualified electrician. So one of the things we're going to have to do is in the back box here, I'm going to need to put a hole in this because unfortunately I couldn't get one which had a hole knocked out in the bottom or the top. You can buy these, by the way, that does this for you, but unfortunately I couldn't get one. So I'm going to drill a hole through this casing to allow the cable to come up through into the box. So we'll do that next. Okay, nice hole in the top of the box, a little bit messy, but that's done. So first thing we need to do is to turn off any power. So let's do that now. As a precaution, we'll unplug the main power. So switch off the master switch. So the first job now the power is off is to remove the socket. Okay, we've got the socket off the wall. So just a matter of now undoing it and just undoing the wiring to it. So now just to wire this up to the main box. So just to show a bit clearer what's been done there, this box has now been wired up at the back. It's been fixed to the wall of the side of the Caravan. So it's just a matter of screwing this plate, the front plate on, and then switching on the power to test it. Right then, so that's the socket in place. Just a matter of switching the master switch back on. There we go. Microwave's connected, as you can see. I'll just try the other side of the socket. Both sides are working fine. Excellent. So there's the socket now in place and finished. So that's the plug socket finally installed, ready for the Wi-Fi router. Look out for that in our next video. I will be installing a PUC2 aerial and a 4G Wi-Fi router in that cupboard where we've just installed the plug socket. So look out for that. That video will be coming over in the next week or two. So in the meantime, thank you for watching. If you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please do so. It really helps us grow. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.